Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download job search results from SeekOut for LinkedIn applications, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the SeekOut website. Log into your SeekOut account using your username and password. Once logged in, enter your search criteria in the search bar to find job seekers. Utilize filters to refine your search results based on your specific needs. After adjusting the filters, review the list of candidates that appear. Select the candidates you wish to download by clicking on the checkbox next to their names. Look for the download option, typically located at the top of the page. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. Choose the file format you prefer, such as CSV or XLSX, for the downloaded file. Confirm your selection by clicking the download or export button. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated download folder. Open the file to review the list of candidates and their details. You can now use this information to streamline your LinkedIn application process. For better organization, consider saving the file in a dedicated folder. This will help you easily access the information when needed. Now you're ready to enhance your job search efforts on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.